Today we're going to take a quick look at iOS 4.3 on the iPad. Now, as you can see on 4.3, there's two main changes to the settings menu. First is lock rotation versus mute for the side switch, and second is gesture controls. Now, gesture controls are a few new gestures that you can make. These are multitouch, multitouch, or as they call it, multitasking gestures. For instance, the one I just did is to close any menu, any page. Just pull your fingers together and close the page. This works with any application, but as you can see, it's still a little buggy. It doesn't work right away. It does require you to use 4 fingers or 5 fingers. Once you do that 4 or 5 finger pinch, the page closes, and then you can actually go back and forth if you like with just 2 fingers, and you can just slide the finger and go back and forth, back and forth. It's actually pretty neat because it's so smooth that you can just have fun doing that if you're bored. Now, it doesn't work immediately. You will need to have the page load or the application load completely, and then you'll be able to switch between and close between apps. Now, moving between apps works the same way. You use 4 or 5 fingers to slide across to the left, and then you can just use 1 finger to complete the gesture. Now, there's also the final gesture control, which is to slide your fingers up, 4 or 5 fingers up, and this reveals the multitask bar. Now, there is a slight problem here. As you see, the pages go back and forth at times randomly, and there's no real flow to make it work, so you slide it back and it doesn't go, obviously. So it's kind of cool graphic that it slides all the way across, but as you can see throughout the whole video, you're going to see pages that just go back and forth, like now. So it's still buggy, still in works. Hopefully the full release will have that fixed. Now, if you want to have multitasking gestures, you're going to have to put 4.3 on your iPad, of course, but you'll also have to go into Xcode on a Mac and actually select developer, and just check the link below to see how to do that. Once you do that, then multitasking gestures will be available. But if you just put iOS 4.3 on the iPad, you will not have any gesture controls whatsoever. Thanks for watching. This is James with Gadget Review.